This healthy broccoli soup is extra creamy, thick, and extra delicious. And it's perfect for this chilly weather. It's a really easy recipe and a great way to get all those veggies in. I like to serve this with some cheesy garlic bread to make it a delicious meal. Use a sharp knife to take off the stalks of the broccoli and cut it into florets. An entire head of broccoli is going to go into this soup. Next up, cut some peeled potatoes into large chunks. This is my secret ingredient to always add that creamy factor into a soup without using actual cream. Heat some oil in a large pot and saute chopped garlic. Add sliced onions and saute them till they're translucent. Add broccoli, potatoes, salt, and top this up with 2 cups of water. This is going to make the base of our broccoli soup. Bring this to a boil and let's simmer this for about 20 minutes till the potatoes and broccoli are nice and tender. It's important to let the soup cool completely before blending it up. I am using the Bajaj mixer grinder, which is India's #1 mixing appliance. It comes with 3 different jars and I'm using the blender jar today to blend this healthy broccoli soup. I love the fact that the lid comes with an easy twist feature. That means I don't have to hold it while blending anything. Its NutriPro feature will make sure that our veggies retain their nutrients while blending. It also comes with an opening in the lid so that you can add liquids easily while blending. I love how smooth and creamy this looks. You can have this soup as is, but I like to add extra crunch to this. Some chopped broccoli florets and carrots do the trick. Let this simmer for 10 minutes till everything is tender and add some grated cheddar cheese to it. Mix this well, and once the cheese has melted, our soup is ready. Next up, let's make some cheesy garlic bread. Combine butter, grated garlic and chili flakes in a bowl to make a garlic butter spread. You can also add an Italian herb mix and a little salt if you like. Spread this on slices of bread. This is going to add that extra garlicky flavor to our garlic bread toast. I'm using the Bajaj microwave oven to toast our garlic bread. Preheat the microwave oven to 200 degrees and place the slices of garlic bread on the grill. Toast these for 4 minutes. Remove these from the microwave oven and sprinkle some cheese on top. Place them back into the microwave oven to toast them at 200 degrees for 2 minutes and 10 seconds till the cheese has melted and is nice and bubbly. I'm going to dig into my extra cheesy garlic bread and this healthy broccoli soup. This is a meal that everyone in my family enjoys. This came together so easily with my favorite Bajaj mixer grinder, India's #1 mixing appliance, and Bajaj microwave oven. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and try this at home.